Have you ever wondered how fast a sneeze can travel? Well, on average, a sneeze can travel at a speed of around 100 miles per hour. But some studies have shown that a sneeze can travel up to 200 miles per hour in certain circumstances. That's faster than the speed limit on most highways. That's why it's important to cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze, not only to protect others from germs, but also to prevent those germs from traveling at such high speeds. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember to cover up and stay safe.